Hello guys, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this presentation, we are going to see the new topic variable entered mapping or mapped entered variable. This is the technique which is used to reduce the logical expression. We have already seen the logical or the Boolean laws or the K-map to reduce the logical expression to its minimum form, but still you can reduce the K-map to up to a smaller version by variable entered mapping. How, we will see in this session. So let us start with an example. Let us say there is a function y, which is the function of three variables a, b and c, and it's a sum of product function. So it's a SOAP form, and the positions are giving outputs are 0, 1, 4, 5 and 7. So let us quickly go through the truth table that we have already done in the K-map session. So output will be present at bit number 0, 1, 4, 5 and 7. So at this position output will be present, and to reduce this expression with the help of K-map, what we have seen earlier is, so here is the K-map. So there will be a formation of group of 4 is there. So if you consider these corner 2 and corner 2, and there's a group of 2 again. So first of all I will write down the equation for this. So y will be equal to this group of 4. If you go straight upwards, it's called b bar, and straight leftwards no bit is common because c is 0, c is 1, so both are variable, plus there's another group of 2, so we can form a group of 2 here. For this group of 2, the equation is, go straight upwards, a bit is common and c bit is common, so the equation is b bar a c. So this is your final expression or the reduced logical expression using K-map. But what we are going to do, we are going to reduce the K-map. So this is a 3 variable K-map. Now we will reduce 3 variable K-map to 2 variable K-map by using variable entered mapping. So let us consider the same example once again, in which what I am going to do is, the output is fixed 0, 1, 4, 5 and 7. So output is present in these cases. What is variable entered mapping? So what I will do, the LSB bit, that is the C bit, and MSB bit is there, it is A in this case. So whatever C section is there, the entire C section I am going to map into the K-map. Let us see that. Suppose C is not there, so there is only 2 inputs A, B, so there will be 4 groups as I am going to show you here. AB 0, 0, AB 0, 1, 1, 0 and the last one is AB 1, 1. Now if you see carefully, for input AB 0, 0, don't care C, still you will get output 1, final output is 1. Now I am talking about only 2 inputs A and B. C is going to be mapped into the variable, so I will write down here MEV, that is nothing but mapped entered variable. So C is going to be inside the K-map, that's why I am writing down MEV, that is the LSB bit. And for input AB 0, 1, so output is 0, 0, no matter what is the position of C, so here output will be 0. For 1, 0, again output is 1, no matter what C is, so output is 1 here. And for input AB 1, 1, output Y is following the C bit, means if C is 0 with AB 1, 1, so output is 0, and if C is 1 with AB 1, 1, output is 1. So what I will write, this is as output C.